Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Just got this tower, Sears Tower President, which really is a Smith Corona Super Silent, shipped in, purchased for my inventory, and I don't know if this happened in this shipping. It was packed very well, so I don't know if this happened in this shipping or some previous shipping, or if it was just a previous condition, but the shift is not working right. Everything else seems to be working. It's dirty, but so we got capitals here, of course, but lowercase is way low. And if I force it, I can get it to come up like that right there. But that's forcing the basket up. And so something is wrong. So I've already investigated somewhat and made sure everything is in order here. These side sliders, the pivots down here on both sides. And then made sure there was nothing underneath the basket. Binding here, nothing interfering with the lift here. Of course, you have to check beneath here and check this back space and make sure it's not interfering right there with the shift right there, which it could. It can get underneath there and bind, but that is not the problem. It's not the problem with these stops right here. They seem to be in order. So let's move up here to these pivots right here and here. These look to be fine. Heavy duty steel right here, so these really don't bend. I've seen them come out and get dislodged, but I've never seen them bend. So then the shaft here is where the shift is. That whole piece moves. So what looks like I determined was some analysis. If you look at this shift button, it comes up a little bit. You can move it up like that. So it's got a little more play right there to come up, but this side does not. It's stuck, it's bottomed out right there. I have a feeling this linkage is bent, where this linkage goes to the shift arm. So then I, of course, took a look and see what that entails. And there's a bracket right there that pivots on the shift right there, and that is directly related to this shift lever. So then I got looking underneath here again and found that bracket pretty accessible right there, and it has a matching bracket on this side right there for the right side. And if you look real carefully and see how that is flat when you get it to that angle, when you get this to that angle, it's not flat. It looks like maybe this got bent. And so I'm going to form it. I've already figured out I'm going to form the bottom side up, top side down. And that's going to be my initial adjustment on that. My trial and error adjustment. I'm going to try it right now because I don't like bending these more than once, so I just want to do it once and hopefully it's right. So I got my T-bender on here, and I'm just going to come up with this. I'm going to come up with it this direction like this, and that's going to form that bracket. And I'm not going to go very much. Let me get a camera angle here and get my tool out of the way. So let's get this little nudge. I just gave it a very slight nudge. I just want to see if that's going to make a difference. It did. It already did. So looks like the basket is coming all the way up already. I might go a little further on that adjustment. Or I might not. The only thing makes me think I should go a little more is probably, let's see, this still has a little bit of play there. And this really does not still have any play. I think I just want a little fraction more of play on that, so I'm going to do just what I did before, but a little further. So I want to go up on this. Get my tool out of the way of the camera here, and I'm going to go up just a little bit more. Let's see if I can get a little play on this. I'll definitely move some more, but I'm not going to go any further with it because it's working. So that bracket got bent. I've seen that, but it's been a long time since I've seen this bracket bend. That was it. Just a minor forming adjustment of the shift, or one of the brackets involved with the shift lever, and we got a basket that moves all the way up and down now without any hesitation. All right, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.